Well, when the pandemic first hit, Governor DeSantis issued an executive order banning any and all evictions. Then, on June 1st, he extended that ban until July 1st. Now, one landlord in Fort Myers says her tenants are taking advantage of the situation. 4 in Your Corner's Rob Manch has the story. Rob?
Well, Jessica Degatani tells me she shouldn't have any tenants right now. The lease was up on June 1st and she didn't renew. But her tenants don't want to leave. And at least for right now, she can't make them. Degatani tells me that needs to change. Degatani owns this house in Port Charlotte. She says the last straw with her tenants came in mid-February.
She took matters into her own hands and moved someone in without letting me know.
So Degatani filed the paperwork to have them both evicted.
I had to set the court date to be able to move forward with the eviction. And then when COVID-19 happened, everything got put on hold.
I talked to an eviction attorney, Holly Cosby, who tells me there are hundreds, if not thousands of landlords in Degatani's situation right now, trying to evict tenants for an issue that has nothing to do with their ability to pay rent.
It doesn't matter that it happened before COVID. It matters when the lawsuit was filed in the current state of the lawsuit.
Once the governor's order went into effect, Degatani tells me things only got worse.
Once they felt like they could get away with anything, they did. All the way down to using 19,000 gallons worth of water within a 2-week period that left me with a massive water bill.
Degatani tells me she understands there are people who can't pay rent for legitimate reasons right now, but she says this isn't one of those cases, and she wants a judge to be able to consider that.
I don't make an astronomical amount of money. I can't afford 2 households, and to be honest with you, I don't know a lot of people that can.
But Cosby tells me there's another snag to this story. Even if the governor allows his eviction ban to expire on July 1st, the Supreme Court may still stop evictions from happening. That's because the Supreme Court has a ban on clerks of court issuing writs of possession, which is the last step in the eviction process. So both branches of government will have to lift their bans if Degatani wants any relief. In Cape Coral, Rob Manch, Fox 4, in your corner.